Huwag gawing negosyo! Kalusugan! Karapatan ng mamamayan!
Ito ang mga sigaw na sumalubong sa harap ng Senado bago nga simula ng Senate Committee on Finance ang budget briefing para sa Department of Health. Ayon kay Coalition for People's Right and Health spokesperson Dr. Jamie Dasmariñas, layunin nga ng kilos protesta nila na ipanawagan na tutukan at resolbahin din ang kanilang problema sa mababang sahod, understaffing at limitadong akses sa libre at dekalidad na health service. Samantala sa pagsisimula nga ng pagdinig ay agad naman na binigyan ng pagkakataon ng chairman ng subcommittee din na si Senadora Pia Cayetano, si Senate Committee on Health Chairperson Senadora Risa Ontiveros na makapagtanong dito nga kay DOH Secretary Teodoro Herbosa.
In light of that recent earthquake centered in Cebu, may I ask, Secretary, ano po yung agarang tulong na maibibigay ng DOH sa mga health facilities natin na nasira?
So actually, ang Health Emergency Management Bureau, which is one of the line items in the DOH OSEC budget, has what's called a QRF. We're one of the few agencies with a quick release fund. So DSWD, I think Defense and us have the QRF. So the QRF is, I think, half a billion, 500 million. I've actually asked our PhilHealth president to issue a similar issuance that we issued during Typhoon Haiyan, wherein all of these patients will be covered on a no-balance billing with PhilHealth para pati yung mga casualties sa earthquake makapunta sa private hospital and then matreat sila. And then depending on the reports, what happens in a massive earthquake or like Typhoon Haiyan magnitude is that we can take over, the DOH is mandated by law to be able to take over all health facilities in the area to operate it. Ginawa po natin to for 6 months in Typhoon Haiyan.
Kung sakali naman daw na lumabas sa mga report na hirap ang Bogo LGU na i-operate ang kanilang health facility ay handa naman ang DOH na i-take over ito. Maliban nga dito para makatulong sa mental health ay magpapadala rin daw sila ng psychosocial team sa Cebu. Sa kabilang banda bagamat umabot nga ng halos maglilimang oras ang briefing ay hindi muna rin nakalusot ang proposed budget ng DOH.
Okay, I have to rush. So, we have received requests from a number of senators that they still have questions for the DOH and attached agencies and corporations. So I will have to defer the approval of the budget until I confer with them. If I can arrange for their concerns to be passed on, I will do that. If not, I will have to hold another hearing. So the budget of DOH, attached agencies, and corporations is hereby deferred.
Sa ngayon, wala pang schedule na ibinibigay kung kailan sila muling haharap sa Senado o kung paano nila sasagutin ang iba pang katanungan ng mga senador. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Ann Cortez ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music News Authority.